because they're going to be clean as soon as
Just push it out.
as soon as we push it out, and just to see if there's any pitting on the piston.
Yeah.
And where is my magic tool? Do you have your bike pump?
I do. Oh, I have a bike pump.
Yeah, perfect. Okay, here is my magic tool. That is a valve for a inner tube for a bicycle. And a way to get these piston calipers, or the pistons out of the calipers, is to, I've been very successful at doing this, is to just thread this in.
That threads in pretty good.
Yeah, I made sure that was the right size, and that's gonna be completely sealed. And now, guess what we do?
Bicycle pump.
Bicycle pump. All right. So we don't want to go all the way.
Yeah.
We do not want to go all the way. I just want to see. All right. Now let's see these pistons come out. Oh, there you go.
There it goes.
That is magic. Whoa.
Yeah.
Let's clean all those.
We'll just clean it up.
So we are just about to start the painful procedure of bleeding the brakes after we've rebuilt the calipers and put new braided lines in. So bleeding this thing is going to be painful. I know. Okay, this is a little bit unorthodox. Trying to get some fluids into the calipers, into the lines. They're completely empty. So what we're gonna try to do is basically try and suck some out. So we'll see. Hopefully this works. So yeah, I'm just gonna keep sucking until we see some fluid in here, while you keep pressing the levers.
That's right.
Okay, here we go. I can't believe that worked, kinda.
Awesome.
Okay, check this out.
Yeah, here it is.
Yeah.
There.
So, before it goes to my mouth, so this whole sucking thing,
Old people underwear?
we finally have some fluid in the lines. It took a while, but the reservoir did empty out, and all I've been doing is just basically sucking on this while opening this bleeder. So I'm going to suck on this, and I'll show you guys how it works. So I'm going to start sucking on this, and you're going to see. I'm going to open the bleeder.
It's already down there.
Okay, that's enough for me because it's getting close. But yeah, basically that was empty. All the lines and the calipers were completely empty. Now it's got fluid in there. So this is good. Now we can probably proceed to doing a proper brake bleed.
Excellent sucking power, my friend.
Okay. Proper bleed.
I wouldn't call it a proper bleeder, but it's a bleeder.
We need to make that completely airtight.
Yeah,
So,
I think it's gonna get past it. The other one might be better.
you know, that's okay. Because we're gonna open and close it anyways.
Yeah. Alright.
So,
Pressure deal.
oh, see that? See the fluid?
Yep. That's good.
That's awesome. Look, there's no air.
That works well, yeah. That's good. This thing recording?
Yep.
Sweet.
Oh yeah.
See the bubbles coming out?
Bubbles coming out.
Smokes.
Make sure they can't. Oh, getting pressure.
Are you
On the
starting to get
lever.
some? Oh, that's good. Oh, they're coming
Oh,
out.
that's awesome. Look at that.
So he's doing it a way that I normally wouldn't do it, and it seems to
Yeah.
work well. So
We gotta empty this out soon.
yeah,
But
we're getting some big bubbles on
yeah,
this side.
so what I'm doing on the lever here, because there's so much air left, I'm just building pressure. Trying to push the as much fluid down. Oh, we gotta empty.
Gotta top that up.
Yeah, it's still okay.
Oh yeah.
And then can you film here, down here?
Yeah.
And I'll depress the lever fully and then release.
There come the bubbles.
Yeah.
And this is quite low. We're getting close. We top that little reservoir up. Nice. Can't really see it from this side. I'll come around.
Yeah.
That's good.
Oh, we lost it. Probably hit a big pocket.
Probably,
I
yeah.
lost pressure at the lever. No pressure yet. There we go.
Pressure's back. Oh, there goes 3 big bubbles. Awesome.
Yeah.
Good.
Okay. Probably the other side now.
Yeah, let's just empty out that reservoir and
Hold. Wow.
good.
Beautiful. That's great. I don't need to do any more on that.
Good.
Let's try the other side.
Yeah. Yeah.
You can see absolutely 0 bubbles on that. All right. Actually, can you pump? Yeah. Pumping, hold. Release. Oh, no, don't release, but I'll release. Okay. Okay, pump again. Hold. No air.
Good.
No air bubbles. This is perfectly bled.
That's good.
One more time.
Yeah.
Pump. Hold. 0. Fluid's going through the hose because it's so clear we can't even see it. This is all good.
Alright.
This is perfectly bled. That did not take long at all. Yeah, that did not take long. You want to hold that hose? That's proof that there's fluid in there because it's so clear, no bubbles. We have brakes. Folks, that is how the bleed breaks. That is how it's done. Even with the suction.